Have you ever walked into someone's living room and immediately felt relaxed, refreshed, and impressed? The secret isn't expensive furniture or fancy decorations. It's the power of beautiful indoor plants. The right houseplants can completely transform your living room, making it look brighter, cleaner, and more inviting, while improving air quality and creating a peaceful atmosphere. But choosing the wrong plants can leave you with yellow leaves, constant maintenance, and disappointment. In today's video, we're revealing the 10 best indoor plants that are not only stunning, but also easy to care for, making them perfect for beginners and experienced plant lovers alike. Some of these plants thrive in low light, while others become breathtaking statement pieces that instantly elevate your home's style. Stay until the end, because our number one pick is one of the easiest and most elegant living room plants you can own, and it might surprise you. 1. Monstera Deliciosa. The Monstera Deliciosa is often called the Swiss cheese plant because of its large, naturally split leaves that instantly add a tropical, designer look to any living room. Interior designers love this plant because it creates a bold statement without overwhelming the space. Monstera thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and prefers watering only when the top inch of soil becomes dry. It enjoys moderate humidity, but adapts well to normal indoor conditions. As it matures, its dramatic leaves become larger and develop more beautiful natural holes, giving your room a luxurious, jungle-inspired appearance. Place it near a bright window, but away from harsh afternoon sun. Wipe the leaves occasionally to remove dust and help them absorb more light. With proper care, this stunning plant can become the centerpiece of your living room for many years. 2. Snake plant. The snake plant is one of the toughest indoor plants you'll ever own. Its upright, sword-shaped leaves add modern elegance while requiring almost no maintenance. Perfect for busy homeowners, this plant tolerates low light, bright indirect light, and even occasional neglect. Snake plants store water in their thick leaves, meaning you only need to water every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the season. Overwatering is the biggest mistake, so always let the soil dry completely before watering again. Besides its attractive appearance, the snake plant is known for helping improve indoor air quality and continues releasing oxygen at night, making your living room feel fresher. It also fits beautifully into minimalist, modern, or traditional interiors. If you're just beginning your plant journey, the snake plant is nearly impossible to kill and rewards you with years of healthy growth. 3. Fiddle Leaf Fig. The Fiddle Leaf Fig has become one of the world's most famous houseplants for good reason. Its oversized violin-shaped leaves instantly create a luxurious, magazine-worthy living room. This elegant tree grows best near bright windows with plenty of indirect sunlight. Rotate the pot every few weeks so every side receives equal light and the plant grows evenly. Water only after the top layer of soil feels dry, and avoid moving the plant frequently because it prefers stability. Although it requires slightly more attention than beginner plants, its dramatic appearance makes the effort worthwhile. Regularly cleaning the leaves helps maximize photosynthesis while keeping the plant looking glossy and vibrant. A healthy fiddle leaf fig can grow several feet tall indoors, becoming a breathtaking natural sculpture that adds sophistication, warmth, and a timeless modern style to your living room. 4. ZZ plant. If you want a beautiful plant that practically takes care of itself, the ZZ plant is an excellent choice. Its glossy, dark green leaves naturally reflect light, making your living room feel brighter and more elegant. The ZZ plant thrives in low-light conditions and stores water in underground rhizomes, allowing it to survive weeks without watering. This makes it ideal for people who travel often or forget to water regularly. It grows slowly but steadily, producing attractive, upright stems that maintain a neat, organized appearance. Avoid overwatering and allow the soil to dry completely before adding more moisture. The ZZ plant also tolerates air-conditioned rooms remarkably well. Whether your decorating style is modern, Scandinavian, or minimalist, this hardy plant blends beautifully into almost any living room while demanding very little attention from its owner. 5. Peace lily. The peace lily combines lush green foliage with elegant white flowers that bloom throughout the year under proper care. This graceful plant adds a calm, sophisticated feeling to living rooms while thriving in medium to low indirect light. Unlike many flowering houseplants, the peace lily doesn't require direct sunlight to produce blooms. It also lets you know when it needs water by gently drooping its leaves, making watering surprisingly easy. After a drink, it quickly stands upright again. Keep the soil lightly moist, but never soggy. Wipe the leaves occasionally and remove faded flowers to encourage new growth. Its rich green foliage and graceful blooms make it perfect for coffee tables, plant stands, or corners needing extra life. The peace lily is an outstanding combination of beauty, simplicity, and elegance for almost every home. 6. Rubber plant. The rubber plant features thick, glossy leaves that instantly create a bold and luxurious appearance in any living room. Available in deep green or colorful burgundy varieties, it complements both contemporary and classic interiors. This attractive plant enjoys bright, indirect sunlight, but adapts well to medium light environments. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings, as excessive moisture can damage its roots. Regularly dusting the leaves keeps them shiny and healthy while improving photosynthesis. With time, the rubber plant develops into a small indoor tree that adds height and structure to your space. Pruning occasionally encourages fuller growth and helps maintain the desired shape. Thanks to its striking foliage and relatively simple care requirements, the rubber plant is a favorite choice for homeowners wanting a sophisticated living room centerpiece without constant maintenance. 7. Pothos. Pothos is one of the easiest trailing houseplants available and instantly softens the appearance of any living room. Its cascading vines look beautiful, hanging from shelves, baskets, or bookcases, while adding vibrant green color to your decor. Pothos tolerates low light, but grows faster in bright, indirect sunlight. Water only when the soil becomes dry, and trim long vines to encourage fuller growth. This versatile plant comes in several stunning varieties, featuring green, golden, or white variegated leaves. Pothos is also incredibly easy to propagate. allowing you to create new plants from simple stem cuttings. Because it adapts to many different environments, it's perfect for beginners who want reliable success. Whether displayed high on a shelf or cascading from a decorative planter, Pothos brings movement, texture, and natural beauty into your living room. 8. Bird of Paradise. For homeowners wanting a dramatic, tropical atmosphere, the Bird of Paradise is hard to beat. Its enormous banana-like leaves instantly make any living room feel like a luxury resort. This plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and appreciates several hours of gentle morning sun. Water thoroughly when the top few inches of soil dry out, and maintain moderate humidity whenever possible. Although it grows slowly indoors, each new leaf creates an impressive visual impact. Mature plants may even produce spectacular orange and blue flowers under ideal conditions. The Bird of Paradise works especially well in spacious living rooms with high ceilings, where its architectural form can truly stand out. With proper care, this magnificent plant becomes an unforgettable focal point that adds elegance, energy, and tropical charm to your home. 9. Chinese Evergreen. Chinese Evergreen is famous for its colorful patterned leaves and incredible ability to thrive in low-light environments. Whether your living room receives limited natural light or plenty of filtered sunshine, this adaptable plant performs beautifully. Modern varieties display striking combinations of green, silver, cream, pink, and red, allowing you to match almost any interior design style. Requires very little after the soil begins to dry, while continuously and avoid exposing fresh to cold, vibrant foliage. Because of its compact size, it fits perfectly on side tables, TV stands, shelves, or decorative plant corners. Its colorful leaves brighten darker spaces while creating a welcoming atmosphere. If you want a dependable, beautiful houseplant with year-round color, the Chinese Evergreen deserves a place in your living room. 10. Areca Palm. The Areca Palm brings graceful elegance and soft tropical beauty into any living room. Its feathery fronds gently arch outward, creating movement and making spaces feel larger and more relaxing. This palm grows best in bright, indirect light and prefers evenly moist soil without becoming waterlogged. Regular misting or moderate humidity helps keep its leaves vibrant and healthy. Unlike bulky furniture, the Areca Palm works wonderfully beside sofas without making the room feel crowded or empty corners that need natural warmth. It also pairs beautifully with modern neutral decor or bohemian-inspired interiors. As it matures, it develops into a stunning indoor feature that instantly enhances your home's atmosphere. For anyone seeking a lush, elegant, and timeless living room plant, the Areca Palm is an exceptional choice. Outro. Indoor plants do far more than decorate your living room. They create a healthier, calmer, and more welcoming environment for you, your family, and your guests. Whether you prefer the dramatic beauty of a monstera, the effortless care of a snake plant, or the tropical elegance of an Areca Palm, there's a perfect plant for every home and every lifestyle. Remember, the healthiest plants come from consistent care, proper watering, and choosing the right location based on each plant's light needs. Which of these beautiful living room plants is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest indoor gardening tips, plant care guides, and home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy growing!